some. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, southern Giles County in Middle Tennessee, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Loretto, or 9 miles southwest of Lawrenceburg, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Pulaski, Loretto, Ardmore, St. Joseph, Elkton, Minor Hill, Good Spring, Leoma, West Point, and Prospect. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 1 and 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National